So another approach we can take is to use views to create an alternative search page. So let's do that. I'm going to go to Structure, Views, Add New View. We'll call this Search. And we're going to show content, and we'll leave it at type all now, and we'll edit that later. And let's click Create a Page. For now, let's leave this at Teasers. And I'm going to change the items to display to 30, but we'll leave Use a Pager, and I'll click Save and Edit. So the first thing we want to do is limit the content types that display. So let's add a filter criteria. We'll search for a content type. We'll select it, click Add and Configure, and we're going to search Basic Page, Blog Entry, and Tour Type. I'll click Apply. Okay, so that's showing everything right now. So next we need to add a filter to allow us to search content. We've added filters before, but this one's going to be unique in that it will search the search index instead of an individual field. So let's go back up to Filters, and we'll click Add, and I'm going to do a search for search, and we're going to select Search Keywords, and click Add and Configure. We're going to expose this. This will be the search box, and let's apply. So now let's try a couple of searches. For tunneling, we get cathartic tunneling. If we search for Phil, we're going to get his tour types. Okay, the other thing we can do in order to more mimic the core search functionality is to sort according to the search score. So I'm going to go up here to the sort criteria, and I'll click Add, and we'll type in search, and here's the score. And let's click Add and Configure Sort Criteria. We're going to sort this descending, so the highest scores show up at the top, and I'll click Apply. And let's remove the authored on sort criteria. Okay, let's save this. And we've set the path to /search, which is going to override the core search page. Let's open this up in a new tab, and we're going to go to /search here. And here we go.